What's up, you guys? It's Asia, and you are now watching Asia Marie TV. And in today's video, I will be reviewing and installing this $40 synthetic wig from Amazon that is perfect for fall. So stay tuned.
Where the fuck the function? Where the fuck the function? The way I feel right now, I feel like we need to be all alone. So if you just playing around, you need to tell your girl, take a finance home, and that's real. Stop teasing me. Stop teasing me.
Okay, let's get started. As you can see, my face is already beat using nothing but Dollar Tree products, so stay tuned for tomorrow's Vlogvember. But for now, let's focus on this perfect fall color synthetic wig from Amazon. This wig is from Motown Tress. It is the Ultra HD Invisible Lace Front Wig, glueless 13x7 lace front closure. And what I'm most excited about is this color. It is in a deep copper color. I was so excited. I actually had my hair in deep copper when I was in college, and when I saw this wig in the beauty supply store, I just had to have it, but it was sold out, and the only one left was the one on the mannequin, and the mannequin was like, sis was a little toe up, so I just didn't. I ordered it on Amazon. As you can see, this is why I'm doing my review, and I love Amazon so much, y'all. I am finally included in the Amazon Influencers program, so I am really excited to get into this wig. This also came with the double-sided tape that you can use to tape your wig down. I was thinking about using the tape, but then I changed my mind at the last minute, but I kept saying I'm gonna try it, but I actually didn't. But this is what the card looks like. It is glueless. It does have the elastic band in the back, so you could just put it on your head if you want to, but I like that extra security of gluing my wig down. But I kept saying like, oh, I'm gonna try this tape, y'all. I didn't try it. But look at how bouncy this hair is in the pack, still in the netting. To say this is synthetic, the hair had a lot of movement. So this is what it looks like outside of the netting. Really bouncy. Love the curl pattern. The color is gorgeous, and the hair wasn't too shiny. If it looks shiny on camera, it could be because of my light. I have a really big ring light in front of me, but this is how the lace looks. I love the color of the lace. The lace was also soft and stretchy. You do have a lot of parting space, and the hairline is really thick. If you have a thinner hairline, or you like a thinner hairline, you would have to go in and pluck it, but my natural hairline is thick, so I did like that. But let's go ahead and install this wig. So this is my new favorite protective style, especially underneath my wigs. It is a 2-strand flat twist. This has been in for like a week and a half. As you can see, my hair is real fuzzy, but I love that because it keeps my hair moisturized underneath my styles, and it's not as damaging as like braiding. But I'm going in with my Got2b and just pushing my edges back a little bit and smoothing them out with a edge brush. And I'm singing Paramore, Don't Mind Me, and silk scrunchies. Silk scrunchies are my go-to. So now I'm just putting on my wig cap, cutting the ear holes out, and then using my Got2b spray. This is the powder. I'm loving using powders to blur out my hair instead of using foundation. I notice foundations sometimes interfere with your wig glue or spray, so the powders are best for me, and this powder is strictly for my hair. I do not use this on my face at all, but I just put a little powder into my hairline, spray a little bit of spray so it doesn't transfer. Let that dry, and then I may go in with a second layer of powder if I can still see my hairline, which I can still see it, making sure it's dry and not transferring onto my hand. And then let's go in and cut this wig cap. I do like to keep the band on my wig cap. The band helps hold my hair in the back so it doesn't slip out of the wig cap. You guys will see what I mean in a little bit. Now let's try on this wig. As you can see, it does have the elastic band in the back, and I'm just pulling that lace forward. Now, y'all won't lie, if you do have a big head, this may not be the wig for you because it was really, really tight on my head. And in my opinion, usually I have a lot of room in my wigs, but this wig was pretty tight. You can see how I keep pulling it down, pulling it down. But what I do is, if the wig is too tight, I will pull it up in the back, and you won't see the back of my head, especially now that this hair is curly. Like, you will not see the back of my head. So I did pull it up a little bit, but now I'm just gonna hot comb my edges back so I can spray the lace and glue it down.
Colored pink, sugar cane, hitting them 16 switches, candy, apple, green, candy, paint, swirling 24.
So with synthetic wigs, you don't need your hot comb really hot. So I have mine on the second to lowest setting. My hot comb goes from 5, 10, 15, 20. So I have mine on 10. Got only the why though. Why? 10,000 steps towards the time of your life. So yeah, y'all, like I was saying earlier, when I was in college, I dyed my hair with box dye this color. And y'all, when I tell you I love that color, and I got so many compliments back then. And since then, I've never dyed my hair, and I haven't done copper since college. So when I saw this wig in the beauty supply, I just knew I had to have it. And I'm so mad because in the beauty supply store, y'all, it was half off. But they didn't have any more of this color. And like I said, the last one was on the mannequin, and sis was toe up. So it's all good. I did find it on Amazon. So if you guys are liking this wig, it will be available in my Amazon storefront. The link will be in my description box below. So while I let that lace spray dry, I'm just framing my face a little bit and cutting some of the really long curls that will be in the front of my face. But I'm making sure I don't cut one side too short, just in case I want to either change my part or have the hair flip over or have a middle part. I don't want, some of the hair too short. So went ahead, cut that. I took that band off, y'all. I was already liking how this wig was laying. So I'm just taking my little razor and carefully cutting the lace off, and then I use my scissors to kind of cut around my ears. Now, I know it's almost impossible to have an invisible lace, but I'm noticing the closer you cut the lace to the hair, the better it is to hide that you actually have a lace front wig. As you can see, I'm leaving just a tiny bit of lace in the front of the hair, and I'm using that razor, and I am cutting the lace. I'm not cutting into my skin. It kind of looked like I was sawing into my skin, but I'm not. Here I was trying to figure if I wanted baby hairs, because I kind of liked how it was looking without it, but the baddie in me, I just gotta have baby hairs. Like, I don't know, I can't get away from the baby hairs. So I just felt like this would really look cute with some baby hair, so I had to take a little hair out. I also was feeling the little curls. Like, when I brought the curls out, I started liking that too, but I'm like, no, I'm gonna commit to the baby hairs. But as you can see, I'm like, hold up, I kind of like it. But let's do our baby hairs. Okay, let's slay. If we gonna slay this wig, let's slay it.
I'm reading your signs until you climax. I need to feel something. I need to feel something. I need to feel something. Yeah. I need to feel something. Ooh, baby, listen. Baby, it's the pressure of knowing that I'm watching you perform. Maybe you're not used to someone who knows exactly what you want. I know the fire's burning, but baby, there's no need to be alone. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I think the baby hair set it off a little bit. The baby hairs is just more me. Like, that's just who I am to my core. But you can see I was really feeling it after a while. Wait. Yeah, clock it. I was feeling that, but yeah. I like this wig a lot. I actually really like it, and I really like the color. And like I said earlier, it is perfect for fall.
Kiss you in my body if you give me time. I know you won't be sorry.
Y'all, this hair being pinned back like this, it was reminding me of the lady from Alice in Wonderland. What's her name? The Duchess? The one who's saying, off with her head. Like, yeah, that's what it was giving, the way the hair was pinned back, but that's not how we're styling it, so it doesn't matter. So anyway, going back in with that powder just to thin out the hairline or give the illusion that the hairline is a little more thin, and some spots I could kind of see my hair peeking out. So putting a little more powder, adding a little more of that wig bond spray, that helps to melt the lace into your skin. Let that set again, and the big reveal. Yeah, I'm glad I did baby hairs. Blended, melted. Yeah, I was already feeling it. I was like, yeah, this is about to eat. Yeah, it's about to eat. Clock it. About to eat. So I was trying to figure how I wanted my hair to flip. And I didn't want to brush my curls out a little too much because you guys know with synthetic hair, especially when it's curly, it gets nappy really fast. So I want the hair to, you know, nap up over time. So I'm just fluffing out the bottom so it doesn't look so fresh out the pack, but I still want it really defined and uniform. So just a little brushing out, that's it.
I just wanna feel something. No way, no way. Feel something. Oh, no, you won't be sorry.
So here is the final look. I love this wig so much. It's so bouncy and the hair is flowy. Great quality wig to say it's synthetic. Like I said earlier, you can purchase this wig from Amazon. The direct link is in my description box below. It will be on my Amazon storefront. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a comment down below and let me know how you felt about the way I styled this wig. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.
I don't know what to say, but I can call up a stranger and talk my whole life away. Milwaukee margaritas, I didn't know that was a thing. Carry me home, marry me now, I promise you everything. Chanel in every city, simply chocolate jet. Whoa, filthy mouth, filthy legs, but my teeth burn. Oh, I could change your life so easily. I keep begging you to stay, but you're leaving me.